how's it going? I just wanted to share this little video with me. A couple of things I found and acquired. So these two machines, as you can see, they're two Ryobis. Pretty similar. This one right here I got from an ex-coworker. He knows that I fix, small engines and go-karts and lawnmowers and things like that. So he said he couldn't get it going, so he didn't want to throw it away. So he figured he'd give it to me. So he gave me that. This I found on the side of the road, along with the stringer, the trimmer attachment, and the edger. Not sure what's even if okay. So I tried starting this. One. Didn't work. I mean, it didn't start. So I assume that's why they put it on the side of the road. But to put this on the side of the road, this on the side of the road, even though the machine doesn't work, these still work. So why would you toss these out? I don't know. I mean, if you check on attachments, these things aren't exactly cheap. They 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 and some bucks a piece, each attachment. So, it's kind of it's kind of tough to figure out why they threw that out. But anyway, I figure I'll go ahead and try to get this one going. And if not, I'm actually already tried to get this one going. I took the carburetor off and cleaned it and and put it back on, and it ran for a little while, and then all of a sudden it just leaking gas from the carburetor. So I bought a new carburetor. I'm gonna try and put it on, try to get it going, and see if I can make a quick flip. And then I only have one carburetor, so this one I'm gonna just leave. I tried pulling it a couple times, it wouldn't start, so I'll probably end up doing the same thing, just buying a carburetor for it, put it on there. I mean, the rebuild kits are like, $3, $4, $5, and the carburetor is like $10 to $15. So it's like, oh, man, screw it, just buy a carburetor, spend $5 on a rebuild kit, or spend $15 on a brand new carburetor, and then you take two bolts out, put the other carburetor in, you're done. So I was thinking, for simplicity, just get a carburetor. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what we can do, see if we can bring it back. All right, let me start by moving these. Get these out of the way. Just yet. This is only should be fine. A little pan here. That's a little parts catcher. So, looks like it has gas in it, so what I'm gonna do is take gas out of there. Something in there. There's something in there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, see, there's something floating. Not floating, but you see it like something brown. It's in the back there. I'll probably have to rinse that out. I'll get to that in a minute. just some pre-mixed fuel that I use. I always use pre-mix. So doubt, yeah, doubt I'll be using that. Just put some fresh fuel in there. That's six on the side. Grab me a so that should be good. Like a torch. The torch. Let me see. Maybe a 20. If you can see that. It says T20 right there. Right there. It says T20. Ah, you was right. It's a T20. That was pretty tight. That's tight. It's raining outside. Now's the best time to find something to do on the inside. It's raining outside. Get her done on the inside. I don't see a gasket. Let's see here. Oh. Ah. See your problem now. Tool. Carburetor adjusting tool. Comes with a new spark plug. It was new. A new spark plug. New lines. A couple of filters. Primer bulbs. And a couple of gaskets. So it's like I buy this for 14 before I buy a rebuild kit for $5. You know, it's like, you know, it's way better. Okay, so this only has one. It has one hole. And the way it looks, it looks like it's right on that first hole, the way the position is. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. The original carburetor, this just has one. So we're gonna roll with that. Roll with that. That. Move the lines. Okay. That's the old carburetor, the old gasket. Let's see the new gasket.
You have no idea who Jamie is.
So this gasket on the original carburetor has like a little groove line. I don't know if you can see it. It has like a little groove line in it. Yeah, it's a little groove line right there. And these other gaskets that came with this other one doesn't have that. So I'm wondering, are they made the same at least? So it has, yeah, it's made the same. It's a little bit shorter. This one comes, the original comes way down here. But everything, the holes line up. The holes on top of the carburetor plus the two holes, that lines up. But again, there's no groove on here. So I have used carburetors that, I have replaced carburetors that had gaskets with this little groove in it. And the replaced gasket had the flat, and I haven't had any problems. And on the other hand, I have had problems where I put this flat gasket on, it don't quite work. I put the original, this with the little groove line in it, I put that on and it works fine. So we'll see. We'll use the new gas, new carburetor, new gasket. We'll see what's up and go from there. So that's that. Should I just change these lines as well? I got a new line here. Thinking I should just change them. Right? Swap them out. Got it. Go ahead and do it. Let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Carburetor back over here. Protection. Alright, so now let's put new lines and new filters in it. So it looked like the one with the filter. It looked like the one with the filter is to my left. Remember that. I'll quiz you later. Cut that. Alright, so I'm just gonna, I probably just pull this right out. Just pull that out of there. This one. I'll just pull it through. Collapsing. I mean, the line, it isn't the best. I'm gonna put that little spring on it. That didn't come with the kit. Those springs came with the kit, so back that little spring off of there.
That was so good. Whenever I fed, I could change the arts for every bookmaker in the country. I had it down so cold that I was given paradise on earth. I was given one of the biggest casinos in
Took the little spring off.
The only kind of guys that can actually get
Spring.
62 million.
And I'll put it on the new one.
Matter of fact, nobody wanted to be paid. But it should have been.
Old filter, wire, I ain't even gonna worry about it. Get tossed. Now, can I get something down in this tank? Got some crap in there. I'll go ahead and just address that before I have any issues. So I got a little grab tool here that you see it comes out of there and it'll grab you. So I'm gonna use this to hold the rag. Just use this to grab onto the paper towel like that. Push it in a little bit, give it a good bite. Stick this down in there. Let it see, there's a baffle right here that goes straight up. I guess with a bolt. Yeah, there's a bolt in there, and It doesn't. It ain't. It isn't exactly wide open in there. Just get whatever that was out of there.
We're the only winners.
Let's see.
Their cash flows from the tables to our boxes.
I see pieces of
To the most
the
sacred
old hose.
the place where they add up all the money. The holy of holies.
Yeah. Pieces of the old hose in there. Okay, so let me get my air gun and blow that out. Noise alert. Whew. Man, there's more in there than I thought. Wow. It's clean now. Yeah, it's clean now. As you can remember, you can see the little brown. What it is pieces of pieces of the fuel lines in there. I mean, probably can't see it sitting on the table. Just right here. See? All that was in there. Just blew all that out. Alright, so that's taken care of. I need you again. Oh, good bite. Okay. Alright, so let's put the new one on. You know what? Let's do the line. Let's go ahead and finish doing the lines. And a little sidetrack there. So cut this quick. Always cut it at an angle. I mean, you cut it a couple times if you need to. Try to put a point on it. Try to put a point on it that way you can get it started. Started in the hole. And take the pliers.
Here was the perfect front man. I mean, what the fuck else could he be? He didn't know too much. He didn't want to know too much.
Yeah.
Especially that the boss of the Teamsters lending the money. He wanted to believe the Teamsters gave him all that fucking money because he was smart.
Pull that through. Put enough in there to where it can kind of reach all areas of the tank. You know, sometimes when you're weed eating, you use it as an edge and you flip it over. That'll help just the filter to kind of bounce and go where the fuel go. That way you don't lose anything. That little tip we abused. Put that off of there. Put a little wire. Slide that over. Slide the filter in. Put that all the way up. Take the spring. Slide the spring all the way up. Okay. Now, as you can see, filters attached. Got the spring on the end of the line. I'll just feed that back down. Make sure it goes all down in there. Not too kinked up. Okay, so it seems like I have too much in there, so I'm gonna pull some out. There we go. That. Just making sure it's sits all the way down in there. Looks to be all the way down. Yeah, so it's all the way down in there. That's good. So just wait before I cut that. I'm gonna wait before I put the return line back in. It's not a big deal. Let's get the new carburetor. Okay. Alright, so
season after season, the prick was the only guaranteed winner I ever knew. But he was so serious about it all that I don't think he ever enjoyed himself. But that's just the way he was.
like this.
Back then, the bosses didn't give a fuck about whether he enjoyed himself or not. To them, he was a cash register. All they had to do was ring the bell and take the money.
That one, everything wants to hide. This slide it in. Something like that. That. So do
Joe goes, I don't tell Poppy. He said no to me.
Ow! Well, Papa, my mommy said no to me.
See what I told you?
your mommy said no to you?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. You must have been bad.
No, he goes, I want McDonald's. And I said no.
Oh. No McDonald's right now, big dog.
I go tell my mommy.
Okay, tell your mommy.
Mommy.
What?
I said, Grandpa said barbecue.
Oh, no, he didn't. Stop lying. Come on.
I go to my grandpa. Mommy just had me.
Okay, be careful. Alright, let's go ahead and install the lines. Let's see here. That look about right there. Cut it. Huh? Now this is the feel, so I'm judging from the last one. I think this is the fuel in. Is it labeled? No, it's not labeled. We'll go with the fuel in. Bottom. Connect the throttle. Then cut another line for the return. That out. Remember, just make it sharp so you can fit it in the hole. Put a little sharp point on it. That way you can get it started in the hole better versus just flat like that. You just be real tough. But this makes it a little easier. So we'll take that, stuff that in. Back. So I didn't see any connectors to this. This is everything that came out of oil. You see all that? All that was in the bottom of the tank. So that looked like old line. Like maybe they changed the line but didn't get the old line or all of the old line out of it. But anyway, sorry for the fan noise. It's kind of warm in here. Down here in sunny South Florida. Get hot down here. Alright, we'll cut that. Install that. Again, like I said, if that's not right, I can come back and just swap. No biggie. I don't have to take it all apart to swap it.
Ready to be a hero, little guy?
Pretty often do anything.
So,
Alright.
alright.
With this 45 fortress of
Get the gasket. Store the gasket for it. And put it on. Such. Get everything else lined up. Seems to be hooked up. Pull it. Automatic choke. Choke it and pull it. Start it. Alright, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's get the filter back on it. And put some gas in it. See how it goes. Put some of this back in there. This isn't too bad. Just gonna put a little bit in there.
Get him out of here.
What? Wait, no. Wait a second. I need composure too.
Might not be enough, but
Next
it's
time
something.
you something,
Oh,
don't make it the same way.
wow.
Don't.
Bunch of trash right back in there. Wow. See a little piece right there. I get that out. I blow it out again. It's only a little bit in there. Wow, it was in the cap.
Pretty well. So we're singing a whole lot more of each other.
Yeah, all that. There's a lot of trash in the cap. Okay. And let's see, will it prime? Let's see, fuel. We see fuel. No. Alright, it's a Preston time set to A. Squeeze and hold. Continue holding trigger and lock out and pull to start. Wait 10 seconds to warm up. Set to B. So I don't think this carburetor is like that, so I'm going to set it to A.
It's very
Just see what it,
Do you want it or not?
what it fires.
No, I don't need it. Right. I won't have that.
let's I think it's starving for fuel. So might have to adjust it. They sent a little adjusting tool with it. So I might have to adjust it. But let's get it going. Let's get some fuel. And maybe take this outside. Get your setup outside. So for a later video, I'll go ahead and pop that plug out of there, put the new plug in. That's for a later video, and like I say, I used the premix, the 40 to 1, the 50 to 1, 2-cycle, Walmart brand. There are better brands that last a little longer than this, but I still trust this over me mixing it myself. So yeah, pay a little bit more, but oh well. Runs good. Seem to not gum up the carburetors as much as gas. Much as you mixing it yourself. So for the time being, I put the spark plug in, and I'll address the spooling. Keep unspooling. When I was weeding it did good, but then it'll put more line out without me wanting it to, and so I'll address that in the other video when I install the new plug. And but for now it's good to go. And, go ahead and put him up for sale and move on to the next one. Got me a new little battery charger, little DeWalt 30 amp battery charger, and the 80 amp engine start. It works pretty good. Got it charging the more battery, brought it back to life. So like a motorcycle battery, but anyway, I thank you guys for watching, and please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like, and it's helped me to keep making better and more informative videos as I go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.